Hello friends and welcome back to She's in Her Apron. No clue. No clue. Today is gone. It's gone. It's done. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I am so glad to be talking with you guys. I feel like I haven't talked to you for a while just because I haven't filmed in like days, like 5 days. So it feels like a long time. I thought I would take you guys along with me tonight. Today is gone. It's gone. It's done. We are done with today. It is 6 in the evening. Done. Oh my gosh, what have I done with my life today? Well, I've done laundry. I've been unpacking from my trip. I've done homeschool. I've been meal prepping and video prepping. And I really need to go to the grocery store, like really bad. And I was hoping that Derek would come with me, but things in this house change very quickly. I was going to do an Instacart order. I started doing it and then I was like, no, I really want to go into the store. This is the problem with my ADHD. I tend to bounce around a lot and like, no, I'll do this. No, I'll do it this way. No, this way's better. How about this way? Well, oh, squirrel, I need to go do this. Mush, mush, just mushy. That's my life. My life is, some days is just mushy. Is that a thing? It is now. So I do need to go grocery shopping. My cupboard, well, not my cupboards. My cupboards are not bare. My refrigerators are bare. I am out of fresh vegetables. They ate all the meals that I prepared for them before I left for my trip. Now for us, this is pretty dang bare. Oh my goodness.
No one's fed her today?
No, I did, and then Coley stole her food.
The rest of this page? Come here.
Yeah, we need some fresh veggies really bad. I have plenty of food in the freezer and shelves like pantry and food room, but I've got nothing in my refrigerator. So we need to change that because I wanted to have some veggies today and nothing. I did make a grocery list, so I do have that. If I don't make it tonight, then I will definitely do it tomorrow. So I do need to make dinner for my family. So let's go into the freezers, somewhat of the refrigerator, and shelves in the food room, and let's see what I can put together on a late notice. I mean, I was menu planning for the rest of the week. Just today got crazy, so yeah. So let's go and see what we can prepare for dinner on short notice. Is it short notice? When procrastinating. There we go. Okie dokie. I dug through my freezers and we're gonna have some beer battered cod fillets. These are so good. These are from Sam's Club. And we're gonna have some fish sticks. It's a fishy night. And some vegetarian spring rolls, because why not? That's what I'm feeling. I have some broccoli, frozen broccoli and fresh broccoli, but I really wanted to make a broccoli soup with the broccoli I need to use up in the fridge. So I wanted to do that today, but Putting some parchment paper down. I'm gonna see what all the heating instructions are. This is $4.75, $4.50. Okay. Well, guess what? Fish sticks are going in at $4.50 too. Oh, living on the edge. Bake, $4.50. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. These veggie spring rolls are actually really good in the air fryer. Maybe I'll put these in the air fryer. And we'll find the veggies I can find. And that'll be dinner tonight. I have fed my family. I have done my duty. These are so good. So, gotta use up what's in our freezer. It's a good night to just clear things out. Ooh, these would be good for tacos. I think I'm out of tortillas though. But I'll cook these up. Whoever doesn't eat these, I will make fish tacos with for lunch. Ooh, that is so good. Oh yeah, because I have coleslaw on my menu plan, and having fish tacos for lunch tomorrow would be awesome. And of course, I'll be flipping these halfway. All right, I used up both the boxes of fish, so my freezer got cleared out. That's what we're doing. Anything left over? Fish tacos tomorrow. I threw away the box in the bag, so I'm not sure how many minutes to flip, but I'm gonna go with the safe range and say 8 minutes. Yeah, we'll see. Still learning my air fryer. This is a new wave. I got it from Costco. I'm still trying to figure it out. Derek is way better at it than me. All I know is I had to preheat it. 8 minutes. No clue. No clue. I'm putting some fresh broccoli in a bowl, and I'm going to season this up. I'm going to add some baby carrots to it. Vegetable seasoning. I love this stuff. I have no idea what I'm doing right now, you guys. I am just making dinner and throwing it together. Then I'm gonna put some water, wrap it up, and put it in the microwave. All right, I'm probably gonna do 5 minutes in the microwave and then go from there. I think I'm going to take this out and then flip them. Okay. Oh, the air fryer's done too. They give little sauce packets to go with it. These are good. These are really good. Yum. Ooh, look at that. Beer battered fish and chips and cod. So good. And then I found at Smith's this beaver tartar sauce. It is so good. It reminds me of tartar sauce back east. I love it. The kids are like meh. So they're like all about the crafts. I think that is horrible. I mean, this is good. We have steamed broccoli and carrots. And then the veggie spring rolls that has edamame in it or something. Oh, I can't say it. What is it?
I think I don't even.
And then we also have some jalapeno jelly to have with it and the sauce that it came with. So this is dinner. This is Mommy's last minute, oh crap, dinner.
Fried dinner, why not?
Hey, but it cleared up 3 boxes, 3 packages in the freezer. So
Well, we're eating broccoli.
see how it all just comes together. So Derek and I are catching up because it's really hard for Derek and I to be together, catch up, and talk. We're like 2 ships passing.
Let's see.
We're like, hey, hi, I love you. Derek was amazing while I was gone with the kids. He always is. It's annoying because he can get the kids to do things and I can't. Like, I think they're done listening to me. Like chores, their zones, cleaning up. What is it? What is it that you do? What is your secret? Because I need to know.
But it doesn't happen when you're here. It's just when you're gone, something comes out of me.
But they listen to you when I'm gone.
I wouldn't say they listen. I would just say they probably don't have as much fun.
Derek's so good with them.
Could it be that I'm lucky to have found someone who is just as crazy as me? Or is it just in my mind? Yet too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night, like you did last night.
Oh, don't have that fall. That'll break everything.
Ooh.
I don't know if that's gonna dry.
No, will you come dry for me? I got a package in the mail, and I believe this is my monthly Thrive Life package for our food storage. So I spend about $50 to $60, just depending on what it is, for our food storage through Thrive Life. They do freeze-dry food. And my food storage is filled with it. And I will be taking you guys along, showing you how to use your food storage food, especially your freeze-dried food. So all of that is coming. This is the sour cream, freeze-dried sour cream powder. Talks about how to reconstitute it and use it. So I'll be sharing this with you in a video. This one is cheddar cheese. This one is scrambled egg mix. So there's that. And this is also freeze-dried. So we have some scrambled eggs. So this is what I got for this month. I always check before it delivers, because sometimes they'll be out of what I pick. I pick things month in ahead. So, like, I don't know what I picked for next month, but each month I do something different. I think maybe I'm getting ground beef and ground or grilled chicken. And so, but if they're out, then my order changes, and I want to make sure that I have my $50 to $60 in that order. So I get on and check. If you are interested, want to learn more, I'll leave the link down below for you. So yesterday, we went horseback riding. Derek looked good on a horse. I was terrified on the horse. I don't think I've been on a horse for like over 8 years. So we've got Jonah, I don't know if you can see him. Mr. Toodles is in front of me, and we're going down a hill. Oh my gosh, I'm trying not to have anxiety. We're going on a trail ride with some friends. So talk about doing things outside my comfort zone, right? Horses is one of them. This is Annie. She's the horse that I rode on. She was very good to me, thank goodness. I learned how to sit on a horse going up a hill and down a hill. And my thighs are on fire. But she was super sweet. It was fun. I had to put a lot of trust in the horse. Like, okay, she knows what she's doing. She's done this trail a zillion times. She knows how to follow. But there was a cliff, and it was loose rock. It was scary. So I kept looking to my right. Derek's like, "Are you looking?" I'm like, "No." I'm like looking over here. Like, I'm not, no. I survived it. It was fun. I was nervous. Like, The last time I was on a horse was for girls camp for church, probably 8 years ago. I don't even know, it was so long ago. And before that was our honeymoon. So I really had to put my trust in this horse. She knew what she was doing. It was just scary because that's a lot of power. A horse has a lot of power. My inner thighs are burning. But it was good to see Derek on a horse. His family, he comes from a family of cowboys, so it was just like, aw. I would have to say that at the end of the ride, my anxiety was gone. I really had bad anxiety in church that day. Yesterday, really bad. I know what triggered it, and I was trying to let it go. And then it was time for the horse ride, and I was nervous. I said a lot of prayers, but I had to put my faith in Annie. She knew what she was doing, and all I had to do was give her a little nudge, and she would go in that direction. And I was just thinking about, like, Heavenly Father, how he is with us, and how he gives us little nudges, and he'll be like, whoa, or, you know, let's go in this direction, and how we, you know, have to trust him and where he's leading us. And I had to trust Annie, and she knows what she's doing, and she could take control when I'm just freaking out, and she did. She followed the rest of the horses, and it was sweet. At the end, I got off the horse, and I fed her some grass, and I said, thank you. I was petting her head, and I was like, thank you so much. And it was like, I don't know, she was looking at me, and I felt like she understood what I was saying, because she nestled her head into me, kind of like, you know, you're welcome. And I was really taken aback by that. I like had this moment with this horse yesterday, and it was definitely a learning experience for sure. It was neat. It was a really cool experience. So great week, great weekend.